Hello, welcome to Sunny Bite Cafe. Please have a seat. How can I help you today?
Hi, thank you. Could I take a look at the menu, please?
Of course. Here's our menu. Take your time and let me know if you have any questions.
Thanks. Everything looks great. What do you usually recommend?
Well, our grilled chicken burger is one of our best sellers today. It's very fresh and comes with special sauce.
That sounds tempting. Is it spicy?
It's mildly spicy, but we can make it less spicy if you prefer.
No, mild is fine. I'll go with the chicken burger then.
Great choice. Would you like to add fries on the side?
Yes, that would be nice.
Perfect. And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a Coke, please.
Sure. Would you like a small or a large Coke?
Large, please.
No problem at all. Would you like any sauces with your meal?
Yes. Can I get ketchup and mayonnaise?
Absolutely. I'll add those for you. By the way, would you like to order a dessert now or after your meal?
Maybe after I finish eating. I'll decide later.
That's perfectly fine. Just let me know whenever you're ready.
Sure. How long will my order take?
It should be ready in about 10 minutes. I'll bring it straight to your table.
That's great. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Please enjoy your time here. I'll be back shortly with your order. Hello. Welcome to Trendwear Store. How can I help you today?
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for a casual shirt. Could you help me find one?
Of course. I'd be happy to help. What size do you usually wear?
I wear a medium size.
Great. Are you looking for something formal, casual, or sporty?
Something casual, but nice enough to wear outside.
Perfect. Let me show you a few options. This one is very popular and comfortable.
Oh, yes. I like the design. It looks good.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like to see it in another color?
Yes. Do you have this shirt in blue?
Let me check for you. Yes, we do. Here's the same shirt in blue.
That's great. The blue color looks even better. Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room is just over there on the right.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. Honestly, I'm not feeling very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what symptoms you are having?
I've been having a bad headache and a sore throat.
I see. When did these symptoms start?
About 3 days ago. They were mild at first, but they've gotten worse.
Do you also have a fever?
Yes, a slight fever. It usually comes at night.
Any coughing, body aches, or runny nose?
I feel a bit tired and weak, but no cough or runny nose.
All right. Are you taking any medication at the moment?
Just some painkillers, but they don't seem to help much.
Okay. Do you have any allergies to medicines?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. Let me check your throat and temperature. It looks like a mild throat infection.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, nothing serious. With proper medicine and rest, you should feel better soon.
I feel a bit tired and weak, but no cough or runny nose.
All right. Are you taking any medication at the moment?
Just some painkillers, but they don't seem to help much.
Okay. Do you have any allergies to medicines?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. Let me check your throat and temperature. It looks like a mild throat infection.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, nothing serious. With proper medicine and rest, you should feel better soon.